Hey everyone, this is Stevie here, and today we're going to be looking at, replicating features essentially. So we've used the rectangular tool before, and I want to show you how there's a little bit of a better way to do it. So we're going to create a sketch. We're going to go down here, and I'm just going to create a box. So I'm going to make this 100 by 100. Whoa, not 1090, that's a little big. So I'm just going to do that. Finish this sketch here. And I'm going to extrude this by 20 millimeters. Great. So now I'm going to create one more sketch on the surface of this right here, and I'm going to draw a circle. I want to make the diameter be 10, and I want it to be 10 millimeters away from each side. So we'll make that 10, and we're going to make this 10 as well. Wow, that's perfect. I'm so good at this. So we're going to finish sketch, and then we are going to cut this out. Cut this bad boy. We're going to select two objects, select that bottom, and press OK. Now, the last thing that we have to do to make it so that we have like 3 of these or 9 total, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, we're going to go back into that sketch, and we are going to go to the create, and we're going to go to rectangular pattern. We're going to select this, very easy, and we're just going to drag it down and press OK. Finish that sketch. And you'll see that it didn't extrude, so we're just going to go back into that extrude and select all of those holes that we wanted to cut out. Press OK there, and voila. Very easy, nice and simple, didn't take much work. Now, what happens if I change the dimensions of this? Well, I need this to be 150 now. So we'll press enter, and well, they didn't move. So let's go back to the sketch and edit them, and it looks like we can't. That's an issue. We can't drag them. Let's dimensionalize it from here to here. Oh, that over constrains it. That's the problem with this tool, is when you're sketching, you cannot edit it afterwards. Now, all of them are constrained by this one, so if you make any changes to this guy right here, all of them are affected, but you'll see that you can't actually do anything else besides that. So the initial dimensions that you give it are kind of stuck like that. So we're just going to finish our sketch here because we are giving up in defeat. Well, we actually have a different way of doing this, and I think it's a little bit better now. So we're going to create a sketch once more. We're going to select this plane, and then we're going to draw another one right next to it. So I'm going to draw here, and I'm going to make it 100 by 100. And let's see, make this based off of that. So we're going to extrude this one more time, another 20 millimeters, just like how we did before. And we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to create a sketch on this surface here, and I'm just going to make it 10. Wow, it was already 10. I messed it up. Then we'll go here, make that 10, and then we're going to go here, and then make this 10 as well, and press enter, and we're going to finish the sketch. So we are going to extrude this, just like before. We're going to again select distance as 2 object and press enter. Now, instead of going back into the sketch and replicating it, we're going to go to the create tab here, and we're going to go to pattern and rectangular pattern. This allows us to duplicate features. Now that's great because when we select this feature, we need to give it a path along which we are going to be like moving it, like duplicating it. So we'll select this path right here. That'll allow it to have a straight line to follow. And now we're going to do the exact same thing as before. We're just going to drag these out, and then we're going to press OK. Now there we have it. Now what happens again if I change the dimensions here to be 150 like the other one, finish that sketch, and the same things happened. We actually don't have any changes here. It's in the same exact positions. Well, the nice thing about this is that you can go back down here and select it, and you can move these again. You have full control over everything, which is super nice because now you can edit this whenever you want. And the best part is, if I want to make changes to all of them, I go back to this single one right here, make this 15 millimeters, press enter, and finish the sketch. And bam, just like that, we have edited the entire thing, and it's completely able to be modified. It's super nice, especially when considering that if we had to change this, we'd have to delete them all and redo the entire process. It doesn't work out nearly as nicely. This is super helpful, and I think it's a great tool that you should get used to. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, comment down below what you'd like to see next, and we'll see you in the next video.